Today we're diving into one of the most exciting battles in the mid-range smartphone segment, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro versus the Nothing 3A Pro. Both devices pack impressive specs, but which one truly stands out? Let's break it down. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. Let's start with the most crucial factor for many buyers, the price. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro comes in at 2,499 dirhams, offering 12GB of RAM and a generous 512GB of internal storage. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro presents a more budget-friendly option at 1,799 dirhams, still packing 12GB of RAM but with 256GB of storage. This significant price difference of 700 dirhams immediately sets these phones in different value propositions, making the choice more straightforward, depending on your budget constraints and storage needs. Now let's move on to its design comparison. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro flaunts a sleek, premium design with a matte glass back and a slim 7.55mm profile, weighing just 195 grams. Thanks to aluminum frame, this phone feels premium and durable. It's available in plume purple and graphite gray. The phone feels luxurious, with an IP68 and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, and can withstand high-pressure water jets, immersible up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. On the other hand, the Nothing 3A Pro stays true to Nothing's transparent aesthetic with a unique glyph LED interface on the back. It has a glass back and flat polycarbonate plastic frame, which heavier and thicker than Reno 13 Pro at 211 grams and 8.4 millimeters thick. It's also IP64 rated, meaning it's splash resistant but not as rugged as the Reno 13 Pro. If you're drawn to sleek, premium designs with glossy glass and aluminum finishes, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is the clear choice. However, if you prefer bold, futuristic aesthetics with a unique twist, the Nothing 3A Pro stands out, especially with its eye-catching transparent back, which I personally love. For those who value standout design and a touch of innovation, the Nothing 3A Pro is the winner in my book. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro features a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. With a resolution of 1272 by 2800 pixels, a 450 ppi, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 awning protection, it delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast. The quad-curved edges further enhance its premium look and feel. Meanwhile, the Nothing 3A Pro opts for a slightly smaller 6.77-inch AMOLED panel, also with a 120Hz refresh rate but a much higher peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it far more visible in bright conditions. Its resolution is 1080 by 2392 pixels, a 387 ppi, and it uses Panda Glass protection while supporting Ultra HDR for more dynamic visuals. The winner? It's a close tie. Both have their advantages. If you prefer sharper resolution and a more refined design, the Reno 13 Pro is the better choice. But if extreme brightness and Ultra HDR are priorities, the Nothing 3A Pro pulls ahead. Ultimately, the best pick depends on what you value most in a display. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is equipped with the powerful Dimensity 8350 chipset, clocked at 3.35 GHz, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This combination ensures seamless performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps, further enhanced by Oppo's well-tuned ColorOS optimizations. On the other hand, the Nothing 3A Pro features the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, with a clock speed of 2.5 GHz, along with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, both built on an efficient 4nm architecture. Nothing's near-stock Android experience delivers a buttery-smooth interface, free from excessive bloatware, and offers faster software updates. When it comes to raw performance, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro takes the lead with its superior processing power. However, if a clean, bloat-free software experience is your priority, the Nothing 3A Pro stands out as the clear winner. The choice ultimately depends on whether you value sheer horsepower or streamlined software refinement. When it comes to camera performance, The Oppo Reno 13 Pro boasts a versatile triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. Oppo's AI-enhanced processing excels at producing vivid, detail-rich photos, particularly in portrait mode, making it ideal for social media enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the Nothing 3A Pro also impresses with its 50-megapixel primary shooter, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, offering 3 times optical zoom. While both devices capture excellent images, the Nothing 3A Pro's dedicated periscope lens gives it a slight edge in telephoto performance, delivering sharper, lossless zoomed shots with better clarity. As for selfies, both smartphones are evenly matched, featuring high-resolution 50-megapixel front cameras that ensure crisp, well-detailed photos and smooth video calls, perfect for content creators and everyday users alike. Ultimately, if computational photography and AI enhancements matter more to you, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro shines, but if superior telephoto quality is a priority, the Nothing 3A Pro holds the advantage. Battery performance often makes or breaks the smartphone experience, and both the Oppo Reno 13 Pro and Nothing 3A Pro deliver impressive endurance. The Reno 13 Pro stands out with its massive 5000 mAh 800 mAh battery, complemented by blazing fast 80-watt Super VWAC charging. This powerhouse combination not only delivers all-day battery life even under heavy use, but can also achieve a full charge from zero in just 49 minutes, perfect for users who need quick top-ups during busy days. On the other hand, the Nothing 3A Pro, while slightly more modest with its 5000 mAh battery and 50-watt charging, still holds its own, reaching a full charge in 56 minutes and easily lasting through a full day of typical usage. When comparing the two, the Reno 13 Pro clearly takes the lead in battery performance, offering both greater capacity and significantly faster charging. If you're someone who hates battery anxiety and values the convenience of rapid power-ups, Oppo's offering is the smarter pick. However, the Nothing 3A Pro remains a solid contender for those who prioritize efficiency and can live with slightly slower charging speeds. Ultimately, both phones excel in longevity, but the Reno 13 Pro edges ahead for power users who demand the best in battery technology. The final decision ultimately comes down to your personal priorities. If you value raw performance, long-lasting battery life with ultra-fast charging, a premium glass and metal build with a sleek profile, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro emerges as the superior choice. Its combination of power and endurance makes it ideal for demanding users. On the other hand, if you're drawn to cutting-edge design with its signature transparent back, superior display brightness for outdoor visibility, more refined telephoto capabilities, and a more budget-friendly price tag, then the Nothing 3A Pro presents a compelling alternative. Both devices excel in their own ways. The Reno 13 Pro for those who want no-compromise performance, and the 3A Pro for users who appreciate unique aesthetics and value-focused innovation. Your perfect pick depends on which features matter most in your daily smartphone experience. Alright, that's it for today's comparison of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro versus Nothing 3A Pro. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!